we are this time here again in Chengdu at the AnimalsAsia Rescue Center in China to check out the project that we have financed with the donations of 2013. As you know, we started our journey with AnimalsAsia already in 2012 when we founded Miomojo. We donate 1% of the global turnover to AnimalsAsia to support them fighting the cruelty and barbaric bear bile farming in China and in Vietnam. If you want to know more about that, just go on the website. This year we are financing a special project, the visit of 2 eye doctors, specialists from UK, and they are here right now. So that's why I wanted to be here personally and see what they are doing. And they are doing a great job visiting 30 bears. And I wanted also to show you that so that you can also see what you helped us to do. So here we are back in the hospital, and I just wanted to show you that this is the plan, and 30 different bears have been health checked while we were here. And I will just show you one of them who is here on the table. So he's going to have a complete health check, and right now he's having a dental operation. Here we are back into the hospital, and you can see here how our bears are being taken care. And right now this one had an eye surgery, which surely Mandara can explain better than me.
So this is number 4, Bonnie, and there's nothing medically wrong with her right now, except that she had what's called an entropion, which means that the eyelashes they curl in and touch the eye every time, and so every time she blinked she was feeling some pain and her eyes were weeping. So the eye specialist came and surgically corrected that. And so when she wakes up and as it heals for the next 2 weeks, her eyes will be, they won't be irritating, and she'll have a nice bright, perfect vision.
You can also see here how the bears can live a second life after those years of torture. They are really very well taken care and live finally a peaceful life of joy and without pain. Thank you very much. Bye.